Demonstrating understanding of client needs. Echoing their priorities. Welcome to Lecture 7.4. Simply stating that you understand the client is insufficient. Your proposal must weave a narrative that echoes their priorities and reflects their language, positioning your solution as a direct and insightful response to their unique circumstances. When a client feels truly understood, they are far more likely to perceive the bidder as a trusted partner. Strategic importance of demonstrating understanding. When we discuss the strategic importance of demonstrating understanding, we're focusing on the direct impact this has on the client. First and foremost, it is fundamental to building trust and rapport. When clients feel understood, they are more likely to perceive the bidder as a partner who is genuinely invested in their success. This understanding is also key to enhancing proposal relevance. A proposal that clearly reflects an understanding of the client's specific needs addresses the challenges that are top of mind for them, which increases the likelihood of a positive evaluation. Next, it allows you to tailor the solution effectively. A profound understanding of client needs ensures that your offering is precisely aligned with their requirements and delivers maximum value. This leads directly to increasing persuasiveness. When a proposal demonstrates a clear grasp of the client's context, the client is more likely to believe that the bidder can truly deliver on their promises. Furthermore, it is a powerful way of differentiating from competitors. Many bidders may offer similar solutions, but demonstrating a deeper, more nuanced understanding of the client's specific needs can set you apart and be a powerful differentiator. Ultimately, this all helps in laying the foundation for partnership. A proposal that showcases genuine understanding signals a commitment to a long-term relationship rather than a purely transactional engagement. A framework for articulating the client's perspective. Thorough research and an analysis. To really nail this, you have to go beyond the surface. For example, during a deep dive into the RFP, you might notice the client mentions scaling infrastructure and future growth multiple times. This signals that their implicit need is a solution that is not only robust for today, but also flexible enough to support their long-term expansion plans. You uncover this by looking for patterns and recurring themes in the language they use. You-focused language. This is a subtle but powerful shift in your writing. Instead of just stating a fact about your company, you turn it into a benefit for the client. For instance, rather than saying, "Our software is highly scalable," which is a we-focused statement, you would rephrase it as, "Your team will benefit from our scalable software, which can support your projected user growth of 20% in the next 2 years. This connects your feature directly to their needs and shows you are focused on their specific situation. Restating client objectives. An excellent way to confirm your comprehension and build confidence is to explicitly restate the client's objectives. You could open a key section of your proposal by saying, "The client has identified a need to reduce operational costs by 15% and improve data accuracy across all departments." This opening line immediately confirms that you've been listening and that the solution you are about to present is directly aimed at achieving their stated goals. Mirroring client language. This technique is about speaking their language, literally. If the client consistently uses the term digital transformation throughout their RFP and corporate website, you should use that exact phrase in your proposal, rather than a similar term like digital evolution. Mirroring their language shows that you've done your research and are already thinking like a partner, not just a vendor. Directly linking features to needs. This is perhaps the most critical part of demonstrating understanding. For every feature of your solution, you must explicitly link it back to a specific client need or requirement. An effective way to do this is to use a direct cause and effect statement. Instead of just listing a feature, such as, "Our software includes automated reporting," you would link it to their need by saying, "The automated reporting feature directly addresses your need to reduce manual effort, saving your team approximately 10 hours per week and allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks." This clearly shows the value and benefit behind the feature, providing relevant evidence and examples. Backing up your claims with evidence is critical. Case studies and past performance. Showcase case studies that demonstrate your experience in addressing similar needs for other clients. Client testimonials. Include relevant testimonials that speak to your ability to deliver solutions that meet expectations. Tailored demonstrations. If applicable, ensure your demonstration is specifically tailored to the client's needs and showcases the most relevant aspects of your solution. Key takeaways: the power of client-centric proposals. Demonstrating a profound understanding of client needs is the very foundation upon which a successful bid is built. By embracing a rigorous research process, articulating the client's perspective authentically, and maintaining a consistent client-centric narrative, you can craft proposals that resonate deeply and ultimately pave the way for a successful partnership.